Good morning, everybody. It's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I am in one of my favorite spots in the house. This is my little private bathroom, and I am getting ready to go visit my sister. So I wanted to just show you a little video of this space. You can hear the music in the next room. Jason's got some music playing. This is an art piece that I made quite a few years ago. It's got all sorts of bits and bobs, place for earrings to hang, and just little trinkets that were broken or found. And then some of my essential oils sit up there, and even in the shelf when I have more than will fit on top. I love this plate. That is a Norman Rockwell, and that used to hang in my retail store. All right, you're gonna see me in the mirror. My hair is in the process of being waved. I have my little crimper or whatever heating up. Love my plant. And all of my little precious things that, well, you know what I mean. Just treasures that we like. That's a pretty soap dish that Jason gave me. And there's another one. Let me move the diffuser. They just hold little things. So backing up, there's guitar art all over the house. That's a painting that I did. This is a tiny, tiny little room. So for space, I've just been really creative. I have a shoe bag that hangs on the shower door. Love that. It's really handy, and I love, love, love my rug. I found this at Rugged Warehouse, which I think is now called Gabe's. And then this is a beautiful piece. It's kind of like a paper mache, I believe. And Jason's mom bought this for us. And pretty little light switch. Oh, and then going back to this corner, this is where some of the stones that I've wrapped hang when they are not in use or not sold. I do sell some of these. And so stay tuned for a shop with a friend that is going to be built around this sort of thing. And then out the window was where I saw the little triplet fawns. And I love to be able to look out and see my garden. So maybe I will flip the camera around if I can do this. So I've already crimped this under layer, and what I do is pin it up with a hair stick while I crimp the top layer. So I thought I would just visit with you. Definitely don't want to burn yourself with it. I'm so excited about seeing my sister. Even though we're not too far apart, we still don't see each other enough. I remember the scene in Little Women where who burned whose hair? Was it Joe and Meg? Maybe, I think, getting ready for that party. That was one of my favorite books. Oh, I loved it. I think I read that when I was maybe about 17 or a little older. There are a lot of books that I still want to read. Try to get as close to the roots as I can. Kind of gives it some body at the top as well. I don't do this all the time. For one thing, I don't take the time to do this. This doesn't take too long though. don't want to get too close. Oh my gosh, I can't believe the gray. You can see it in the light. You hear Jason's music. He was playing Thin Lizzy. I think that's what that is. You see the waves? It's pretty, especially out in the sun. I'm hiding. That's probably enough. Let's take this layer down. My hands get so dry. Put it up for just a second while I do a few more things.